Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be an intro to cars. Now, cars are a training tool used in the functional range systems. If you're more curious about that, you can click the link down below to learn more. But today we're going to focus on the basics of them and how we define them. A car is basically where you are exploring your full active range of motion. And there's a couple caveats with that. The first one is that we want it to be pain-free. You can't fix pain with more pain. So any kind of ache or deep joint pain, you certainly want to avoid that. No pinches allowed. The second thing is complete isolation. And the reason that we isolate is, yes, we do move the body as one unit, but any kind of global movements that we have, whether they're walking or actually preset exercises or just moving throughout the day, they're all comprised of smaller individual joint motions. So if we can improve the smaller bits, it makes the larger motions smoother, more effective, more range of motion to cover. Your ability to disperse load or express force is going to be improved because you have that much more degree of freedom to incorporate. Also, we want to think about intensity. So when we do any kind of motion or movement, particularly in this case, controlled articular rotations, it's on a spectrum of tension. We have low tension or radiation, high tension, and everything in between. Cars, just like anything else, they can be applicable depending on what your intention is. So if you're looking for something more restorative, like you would maybe in the morning if you were doing a morning routine, you probably want more of that 30 to 40%. If you're looking for more of that training stimulus, that's where you can start to increase your intensity so you can match your goal. The other thing for us is that cars become a self-assessment tool. So if you're able to do them every day, you can start to learn the tendencies that you have in that joint. Maybe your right side's a little stiffer than your left side, perhaps because how you use the right side in the day, or maybe because you had injuries, whether current or past injuries from playing sports or things like that. So doing that helps you keep an inventory of how well your joints move, and then you can also start to make training decisions based off that. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next video.